Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am a kind of person that hates to repeat class. But I have to thank you. Let me start by appreciating all of you on the comment section that called my attention to the video that I uploaded before about Tompolo and EFCC share and all that. Especially the news that Tompolo gave Nigerian federal government 21 days ultimatum to release NnamdiKanu of Afunke Tolobiati. That news is, like I said, my voice was not able to come out for what I don't know, for just no reason. I honestly, it baffles me that kind of technical problem, would occur for some. I don't know. For some reason, it happened, but we are back again to bring it to you the way it's supposed to be. Please do me a favor and give me your ear. Like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. The video that most of you complained that my voice was not there, I played it. Truly, it wasn't there, and it's not intentional. We are here to run it again, like I promised you on the comment section that I will reload it, and I have to, record it afresh. All right, this is what you have to go through. Sometimes, some days are like that. But please encourage me by making sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. It's very, very important. Of course, your comment that made me to use your comment. You see, the reason why I told us it's good to comment. Please, even if you're not fan of commenting in people's video, once you watch my video, I love comments so much because that's the only way for me to know how the message, how the video, how you receive it. What do you think about it? It must not be positive. Even if you want to criticize me, no problem, criticize. So if I am to make an adjustment, your comment can get a long way to adjust. I remember when I started, coming live, recording myself in 2022, thereabouts. PM was here. And because 2021 we started the channel, 2022, not this very one channel though. You know what I'm talking about, not this very one, but please bear with me. Somebody called me and then I was keeping my hair, Somebody said on my comments that he would prefer me to cut my hair. Then I cut it. And he came to me again and said, I know that because of my comments, I did not reply, but truly it's because of his comments. So this is far I can go to adjust from comment section. Comment is very, very important. But I'm not saying that everything you say to me, advise me on comment, I will do. No. But if it makes sense, if it's sensible to me, of course, I'm a human being. Change is constant. You need to apply it in every day of our life. Now, having said that, the video you are about to go through now with me is what you are seeing on your screen. All right? This is the news that we brought to you before that somehow, for no reason, something happened, I don't know. And I am here again to upload it again. Now, if you pay attention to the write-up on your screen, you can see somebody made this post, okay, called BLA News Network. I don't know the person. And this, the person said, breaking Tompolo gives Nigerian government 21 days to release NnamdiKanu. And I said that it is unverified news. All right? Meaning that it is not confirmed. And I'm not here to tell you that I have done my research on that is yes or no. Not at all. I'm just presenting it the way it's supposed to be, the way it is, how raw it is, or whatever you call it. That's what I'm giving to you, like without adding or subtracting. Okay. Is it possible for this news to be real? 100%. Could this be real? Maybe. Or is it fake news? Maybe it's fake. But whatever it may be, let us go through it. Now, listen. In 2015, NnamdiKanu was arrested, and before they released him, like what they're doing now, all this shenanigans they're doing now, they actually made an attempt in 2015. It was Tompolo and his men that told federal government, in fact, they did not even tell, they hijacked one or two things there and demand that the only thing to solve it is to release NnamdiKanu. Of course, federal government did not delay. They accepted that offer instanta. NnamdiKanu was released, not if I like some people are pushing to make you, feel that everything is about them. Not at all, not about them. Not about them. And that is to tell you, that many things that is going on today is not about anybody. It's about the way it's supposed to be. Now, everything that happened in 2015 is not about IPB. This one, if not that NnamdiKanu mentioned that, nobody would have known that such offer was presented. And Tompolo and his boys, they are the one that made it possible. They are the one that made it possible, and NnamdiKanu was released. So that means to say that if he decided to do the same now, I won't be surprised. If they will decide to go through that method again, I won't be surprised either. Do you understand? So that means anything is possible. It could be true, it may not be true. And Tompolo, many of you don't know who Tompolo is. Tompolo is somebody that is working with a shell, and that's why they call him government. In fact, in this video, we are going to hear some brief history or story about Tompolo and why he appeared to be powerful and strong, and his source of power, and the trust based on anything. So we have seen some celebrities and some top people we consider as rich, as wealthy, as highly connected people bowing down and paying homage to him. Like what you are seeing here now. This is Davido. Okay, this is Davido. You see, this is Davido bowing down to Tompolo, greeting to him and everything. Do you understand? Are you getting the point? Now, this does not. This thing, you can't say that it belittled the video. No, but that is who Tompolo is. Tompolo is a very class person, to be honest. So Davido bowed down to Tompolo. This guy said his money must be longer. Of course, Tompolo money will be here. We all know that. We all know that. Now, I want you to play, before we come to the history, some stories behind Tompolo and all that. I want us to watch just a few things about Tompolo before we move forward. And while we are waiting to bring it up, please, I want you also to subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. Yes, subscribe to the channel and share this video so that you get to many people. Here is Tompolo. Watch.
EFCC run for Tompolo. Stop now. Who be that man when not the fear Naira mutilation? Hey, Baba Apollo, he not Tompolo, he not get Apollo. Check him out now. Why this everything when they use red and white na problem? EFCC problem.
Sorry about that. I'm trying to adjust the. I want it to be this way.
Stop now. That man when not the fear Naira mutilation. Hey, Baba Apollo, he not Tompolo, he not get Apollo. Check him out now. Why this everything when they use red and white na problem? EFCC problem. West run for EFCC. EFCC run for Tompolo. Stop now. Who be that man when not the fear Naira mutilation? Hey, Baba Apollo, he not Tompolo, he not get Apollo. Check him out now. Why this everything when they use red and white na problem? EFCC problem.
Okay, in case if you don't know what this guy is trying to say, that EFCC, there's a law in Nigeria that says that if you spread money anyhow, you will see anyhow. That Naira as a currency of Nigeria must be respected and all that. And these people, they know how to contradict themselves. You want people to respect Naira, but you don't want to respect your economy, the way you manage it. And Trump is now pushing to tax everybody in Nigeria just for them to pay money they loan from IMF and all that. The story is another day. If you have time, we may go through that. But I would just want to remind you that the intention and the agenda of these people are not favorable to citizens. if you still believe that Nigeria will somehow work, maybe in your dream or when you wake up, it's entirely your business. Here, this person said, no matter what Tompolo is, no matter what, Tompolo is Biafra. No matter what, Tompolo is a Biafra, and we will not support any harassment of any Biafran by EFCC. Never. They have the likes of former APC chief chairman Ganduje, former Kogi governor, etc. to arrest. This same man gave 10 million, 10 billion, not million, 10 billion to government, and they collected it. Talking about Tompolo. But the truth is this: Nigerian law, as you speak, is based on your level, your class, your mode of operation, like how you carry yourself, what you represent, who you are, and who you appear to be. Like everything about you must be spot on. You must be special for you to navigate. If not, rule of law works on a poor people. It doesn't work on some certain people. Tompolo, you remember when they arrested Bobrisky? Even at some point, at a point, not very dark man. Kubana chief priest was a victim of that as well. You get the point. So let's move on. I just want you to remember, because you have seen the video here. You have seen this man here. You can see how they're spreading money here. You see everything you are seeing here. The money there is just like sand here. Okay, you can see the money, how they're throwing the money and everything, and EFCC turn blind eyes. I'm not saying they should go and arrest him. That law is actually stupid, to be honest with you, very, very stupid. You need to respect that. That's something you need to do. To make your currency respected. That currency must be very, very strong in terms of to compare with other currencies like world leading currency, dollar, pounds, and what have you. Nigerian oil and that of Kuwait, I don't know which of them is more bigger, but do you know that Kuwait dinar is most, valuable currency? Like if you want to talk about conversion rate, Kuwait dinar is more higher than dollar and pounds and even euro. Kuwait dinar, 200 Kuwait dinar can settle somebody, can set up a young, somebody as someone who serve his organ, something like that. 200 Kuwait dinar is enough to set somebody up in business, like electronics business and all have you, is enough. But Nigerian as how you producing company, they are the same group, the same organization with Kuwait, sorry, which that organization called the OPEC. Okay, OPEC. If you know, you know. That is an organization that is meant for oil producing countries. Nigeria is a member, but among all the OPEC members, the only one lacking in every ramification is Nigeria. I'm not here to tell you how bad the system is, but because most of you already know that. Now let us go to the history of the Tompolo. Like, if you don't know who Tompolo is.
When you talk about Tompolo, you talk about share. Tompolo is the senior parent to share. He's the man in charge. If EFCC want to investigate Tompolo, EFCC is not investigating Tompolo. They're investigating share. And share is bigger than EFCC.
Okay.
So this is a man who is in charge of the whole Niger Delta region. See, because of Tompolo, they think cancel EFCC. If we come to who say they must arrest them, they will not say nobody is above the law. EFCC will come out, make public announcement, say that Naira victim, they have revised it. One man will make a call. Because the best one that we for sure say that now share will not have been taken out. This share of sign deal with Tompolo. Without that, nothing is moving out of this country. So that is the power of Tompolo. So any government of the day that is coming to power, people like Obasanjo that want to pull him out, no way, because Tompolo has an equal right with the government. This is why we keep talking about share, because these white people are very smart. They know about how they control the regional area. Any place these people find out that there's a good mineral resources, they always plan all these mafias to take charge of those areas. So tomorrow you tell me that somebody will come out to say you want to stop shares from the Niger Delta area. These are the people like Tompolo are the people that they will use against you. So the only solution is until we put our forces together to move all these Westerners out of our land. We never have equal rights in Nigeria. Then we still use this higher mountain to control us as a citizen. Then we go to the local area where they describe the resources. Then we have a deal with the elders of that land. Look for the strongest person there. Then we give him a deal. Give him immunity to say, now, stand until they happen. Then they will not still make those people and promise the comment of the day, and sign a deal with that government, and give that government immunity. That look, even if the people want to rise up tomorrow to say they don't want us in their land, you can fight for us. That was the same thing that happened to Kensan Uba. Because when he rose, when he stood against the federal government concerning share now use the federal government to fight him and use his own people to deny him. At the end of it to come, they finish the guy. That's the end of the guy. Why? Because share already plant all the machinery of ground. So that's the reason why we always talk say, until we remove this share from our land, we'll never get this right in this country. Now, to shock you, make Tompolo wake up one day and say, in all like to share, they do things for the land. They want share to go. Make Tompolo just talk and today. Within 24 hours, Nigeria army will become. I swear they go pick up like chicken. And then you not say Tompolo not get level. But now with the backup of this Westerner, maybe the power when he gets, when people feel say he get power, that's like they say, if you touch Tompolo, you touch share. If you touch share, you touch Tompolo. So not be about say Tompolo they control the youth of that land, like Tompolo ability over the federal government. No, now the thing one and all of that. Now because say if you touch Tompolo, you touch share. Then make Tompolo get that power because he get the backup of share. Not be the youth, not be American or the federal government won't come down so they will come out. But the part where they there, that be the share and the share from when they back, when they control the government, and then they control the citizen. So if anybody is standing up concerning this issue, the person just waiting this time. That's just the truth. Until we put us together to remove share from our land, we never get it right.
Now let me chip in something before we drop this video. Please do me like the video and put your comment. Like I always say, your comment is very, very vital. It's not as if what Tompolo is doing that I'm against it or anything. People don't know the land should be in control of their land. Do you understand? That's the way it's supposed to be. Zamfara people, they have gold. They are the one, Northerners are controlling the gold. To me, if not that oil is in a weak region, which is southeast and south. If the oil in Nigeria is in the north, you from the southeast will be begging to receive allocation. Do you understand? Even now, we are still begging, but it would have been more terrible. Can any governor on the eastern part or south tell us how Zamfara gold is being managed? You can't tell. But some of them want to. Do you know that I watched a video of Shegumi in the past, where he was trying to say something, but I captured what he was trying to say. Reason why they said to arm their youth is because of youth in Niger Delta. They felt that if they can arm themselves because they have oil, we also can arm our own youth and make money. When Obasanjo paid money to Niger Delta, they call it amnesty, Niger Delta amnesty. If you know that, if you know, you know. So that amnesty, nothing had felt cheated. Oh, so if you can arm our group, we can also make money. Let us arm. But they don't realize that oil that make Nigerian, that all of them want to be one Nigeria. What hold Nigerian together, all these criminals together, is oil. You remove oil, disintegration will be as cheap as easy as anything. One, nobody love each other. None of them even love one Nigeria. The love they have for one Nigerian to be one country is oil, so that we'll be able to share this together. Remove that in their sharing, the real love will appear. And that is why I don't see, I keep on saying that I wish oil will dry off so that we can have our freedom. People who don't have oil are living with their two eyes closed. Our own, our eyes are open, we don't sleep yet, we are not even, our life is not even guaranteed. So, what are you talking about? The issue of hospital problem, we don't have it. Good schools, nothing. Good governance for where? Good road, maybe carefully. Electricity is not possible. Then they are not after struggling to build up yourself because you will be the power energy supplier, you will be medical doctor, you will be hospital, everything reform or insurance you is you. Is now you individuals are becoming bank on their own because they have to create a means of saving your money. Because especially now they're talking about taxation whatever. People imagine after selling your goods, you pay excess tax to custom, then you put money in your account, they will tax you 25% or 20% out of the money. After you from Southeast, you pay police checkpoint, you pay everything, you bribe custom. No, bribe is no longer a sin. Is a national is now a national recognized means of survival. If you refuse to do that, you're on your own. In fact, they even propose that they will put tax on you that you not even pay. All this thing is what is going on. It's not funny. Now, Tompolo and his group are doing what they're doing just to, but I wish that they could channel their energy to total liberation and freedom. Even though we have realized, like what this man said about what they did to King Saloua, using him against his people, using his people against him, and both of them fighting each other. That has been the tactics that all of them are using against our people. Once you talk in how they set your people up against you, and you will be stranded. It's either they set you against your people or people against you. One of these two must happen. For how long are we going to continue this way? Let me know your take on this, and I can't wait to read your comment again. God bless you, and sorry for what happened before, and I will have put it the way it's supposed to be. I hope everything now is all right. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. See you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.